Hello, it's Mrs. Vasquez. I am logged into your Schoology, Katiana. So when you come in, you click here on Schoology, and then this is your home page. You'll see any updates here. You can scroll down. There's some messages from Miss Blosky. There's one here from Miss Mason, more from Miss Blosky, Miss Mason. Okay, so that's where you'll have any new information. Um, I want you to look up here where you have the number 3 in the envelope. This is where your messages are. You want to be checking that every time you log in to make sure you haven't missed any messages. And here are notifications. This tells you when there are assignments and things like that. Over here is where your calendar is, and you can see if you click on calendar, this is all the work that's going to be due here, when your conferences are. Okay, so when you can get on with Miss Mason and the conferences, right there. If you go to courses, then here's where you have homeroom, language arts, financials. I don't think you have any work in this one. Math, science, and social studies, art, music, and PE are all here. Okay, now when you go to language arts, and you're working in week 3 first, and then you go to week 4. In week 3, you see you have the green check marks when you're done with something. So the first thing you need to do is go to step 1, and you need to look at everything. Okay, so you can click view, or you can click on the words to download it. When you download it, it's going to go to the bottom of your page, and then you have to open it. Okay, if you click view, it's just going to open it in a new page for you. Okay, so you need to go through all of these, and then the videos are where the teaching is. Okay, the videos are the important parts where you're going to find all of the teaching. Okay, now when you go out of this step 1 and you want to go to step 2, you click back here, week 3. That's going to bring you back to week 3 folder. The next thing you're going to do is click on step 2. Now, to finish step 2, you will need to, after reading the poem, and you'll need to post in the discussion retelling the poem. Okay, so you're going to do that here. You can see where Aaliyah has done hers. This story was about a boy shooting a ball and making a shot. What happened in the story was a boy playing basketball and talking about what happens in the story. So you will need to read it, which is right here. It's called Foul Shot. Okay, read the poem, and then that's where you're going to write your response. You see how I'm clicking back and forth up here? Okay, once you have right here, you typed up your response, so you could say, this poem is about. Once you're done, you want to click here, post. Okay, then you go to step 3. Step 3 is going to be the same kind of thing. You're going to be reading another poem, and then here's a chart to help you, tell you what the poem, how to study a poem. You're looking for the problem and solution, and telling about what happens in the poem. Once you have read the poem, you write about what it's about right here, the same way, and then you click post. Okay, go back to week 3 ELA, and then you can see you have step 4, there's the quiz. All right, then you have another poem to read, and then one more poem and quiz. Okay, so this is how you go through the lessons. Once you get more familiar going through Schoology, I'll be able to help you a little bit more. But today I want you to focus on trying to go through, watch those videos, and do what work you can. And I want you to just get comfortable using Schoology. Also, I want you to please make sure you're going up here to check your messages, because then I can send you videos in here to help you. Okay, Katiana, take care.